Like a Hellcat.
To my YouTube channel, Anand Mathematics classes for IIT, JEE and foundations for 11th and 12th. Today I am discussing on coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is very important topic for IIT JEE and also for 11th classes. Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which algebraic representations in geometry is called coordinate geometry. Co means abscissa, co represented by abscissa, that is x. Ordinate y. So coordinate geometry first of all represented by x-axis and y-axis. Two mutual perpendicular lines which meets at origins O, that is called origins, and also it is initial point. If we take P as xy, then draw perpendicular from P to x-axis, that is Pm, and y-axis, that is Pn. Pn is equal to x, that is the distance of the point P from y-axis, and Pm represents the distance of the point from y-axis, that is represented by y. कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के बारे में हम लोग 10th क्लासेस में भी बहुत कुछ पढ़ चुके हैं। कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में 11th क्लासेस में और 12th क्लासेस में टू टाइप्स ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स के बारे में जानना है। फर्स्ट, कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट्स। It is represented by x, y, and polar coordinate, it is represented by r theta. We have already discussed Cartesian coordinates, but polar coordinate is new. R and theta, the distance of the point from origins to P is represented by R, and theta be the angle which the line OP makes with positive directions of x-axis. Here we discuss about positive directions of x-axis. Positive directions of x axis means the anti-clockwise directions measured axis to line. Also we discuss about positive directions of y axis. That means the anti-clockwise directions measured line to axis. That means positive directions of x axis means axis to line, that is positive. Anti-clockwise directions, axis to line, axis to line, that is clockwise direction, that is negative theta. In y-axis, line to axis, that means line to axis clockwise direction, that is negative theta. Axis line to axis, line to axis anti-clock direction, that is positive theta. I think you follow the positive directions of x-axis and positive directions of y-axis. We also know x-axis and y-axis, that is x dash, y dash. In this part, first quadrant, x and y both are positive. In this part, x is negative, y is positive. X negative, y negative. X positive but y negative. For taking theta in polar coordinate, theta to find theta, we take tan theta is equal to y by x mod. If x and y both are positive, then theta becomes theta. If x negative and y positive, that is then theta becomes phi minus theta. If x and y both are negative, then theta becomes pi plus theta. If x positive and y negative, then theta becomes x positive and y positive, then theta become theta. In second quadrants, this theta, that means that is pi minus theta. This theta in third quadrant means x negative, y negative, that means pi plus theta, and this theta in fourth quadrant, x positive and y negative, that is a clockwise direction, so theta becomes minus theta. Okay, we take, here is a question that for theta, tan theta is equal to y by x modulus, because p xy, that is theta, draw perpendicular, this represents x and this represents y, then we take tan theta is equal to y by x modulus y by x, that means if x positive or negative, y positive or negative, only we take positive and convert from this thought. Okay, here is the questions, we only take tan theta. Why? We also can take in sin theta and cos theta also, but we only take tan theta because the limit of tan theta is infinity, minus infinity to minus infinity to plus infinity, but sin theta lies between minus 1 to 1, cos theta also lies between minus 1 to 1. So we take only tan theta for every value of theta. Theta also is equal to tan inverse mod of y by x. Okay.